Okay.
Oh, another day at Juniata. Morning, Karan.
Hey buddy, don't you have class?
Not until 10 o'clock.
Well, you better get up, dude.
See you, buddy. Have a good one. Oh,
Rohan, what are you doing in class? It's Mountain Day.
Now that we don't have class, I can answer those questions. One of the questions I got was, where do I spend my time the most? And the answer is Keppel Hall. I'm here from my classes in the morning to just completing my project and hanging out with my friends until like midnight or even more than that. I basically live here. And my sophomore year, I lived in Sherwood Hall, which was directly across from Keppel Hall, because I would that's that right there. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but that right there is Sherwood Hall. And yeah, it was very convenient because I didn't have to go very far to classes. This is the arch. Wow, this is really dynamic lighting too. It's intense. Your freshman year, you will be required to storm the arch in order to get into college. I'm kidding. Well, this is the arch though, and storming of the arch is when, well, it's not required, it's highly, highly recommended. You have to storm the arch while the rugby team, the men's and women's rugby team, defends it. So it's pretty wild. So this is one of my favorite spots on campus. This right here is the quad, and a lot of good memories here. We have tenting that takes place in like mid to end November, and there's like challenges at 2 a.m. and scavenger hunts and talent shows, and it's one of my favorite traditions. I started the YouTube club freshman year, and we filmed a bunch of videos here. Well, one video here. It's called Stickman, but more about that on a different video. Yeah, he should show y'all his favorite spot on campus. Come on, that's far. Nah, you're lazy. Fine. Well, I guess we'll have to go. My favorite spot on campus is the Observatory. This place gets so dark at night that if you come here on a clear night, you can see the stars. And it's just incredibly quiet up here. So whenever I need that peace, I come up here, and yeah, there is a disc golf course here too. So let me Can you find it? Oh yeah, there it is. Jared and I wanted to do some astrophotography, and we decided to come out here at night and get some photos of the sky and the observatory. So hope you enjoy them. Roll the pictures. It's the 24th of June, and yeah, no one would expect students to be on campus right now, but I wanted to come here just to, I miss this place, you know, and feel like I'm privileged to be able to come to campus, and I'm sorry I'm making you jealous to everybody who really wants to be here, you know, all of us. On a good day like this, you could see people running around, you can see people in like hammocks, there'd be people playing frisbee right behind me. It's such a beautiful day, and it's so weird. It's so weird not to see anyone here. And I'm just hoping for the best. I'm just hoping that we all come back as safely as possible, and y'all get to spend some great times, some great good days like this together, because I really miss that, you know? So yeah, if you haven't seen Taylor's video, you should go check it out. I'll put it up somewhere here. I'm still new to this, I don't know. It's gonna be somewhere up here. But do check out Taylor's video. That's an amazing one. One of the biggest requests from the questions last week that I got was this. What? That was such a long thunder. Look at that. That is some crazy winds.